Macaroni salad is a staple in the South. You'd be hard-pressed to find potluck or a church supper that doesn't feature some iteration of macaroni salad. I think mine's the best, and it's actually pretty easy. Cook your pasta, dice up some onion, some green pepper. To make the dressing, we're going to combine mayonnaise, yellow mustard, some white vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, even a little sugar. Stir it all together, and then add in our diced green pepper, our diced red onion, and just get it all combined. Then I've got a trick to make sure that we keep this pasta salad nice and creamy. We're gonna add half of the dressing right before we refrigerate it, and then add the other half right before we serve it. It's a little trick I use all the time that makes sure it stays nice and creamy. Y'all are gonna love this one.